सगळ्यांनी मोठ्यांनी ताळ्यो मारच्यो.
And I'm actually a dialysis physician at Navidi Health Center. So now I'm going to be coming on visits at Subcenter Carmona to see up to the dialysis patients in the dialysis unit over here. We have 2 bedded dialysis unit, and this is the hemodialysis machine. So we are going to be having 2 shifts as of now. So we can treat 4 patients in a day. So this is the machine and this is the bed. The bed is adjustable to the patient, and we are going to have hemodialysis on this bed. This is the machine. We have a RO plant backside, so everything is connected, and we can successfully treat 4 patients in a day.
Cotton and Silk Fab exhibition and sale. Experience the beauty of authentic, handcrafted saris, dress materials, kurtis, salwar kameez, and even home furniture. With over 150 stalls from 22 states of India, from the 22nd of November to the 3rd of December 2024, at Ravindra Bhavan, Margav, Goa.
Come through, I would like to thank the Honorable Health Minister Shojit Rane, the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, and the entire team. Finally, Assembly जायकपाट आमी रिक्वेस्ट केली की एक डायलिसिस युनिट आमकां जाय म्हूण हिंगा लोकांक जायत त्रास पडटाय, नंबरूय मेळना. So after a lot of efforts, consistent approval मेळ्ळें आनी we have already now inaugurated it today. Palson dialysis कमी जातले, almost 4 to 6 patients are already confirmed. So it is a first step for building up the health infrastructure. आनी म्हाका सदां आनी असल्योच फॅसिलिटीज प्रत्येक गांवांत जावपाक जाय. 2 बेड जोरी तरी प्रत्येक जोरी तरी एक एमर्जन्सी केअर सेंटर विथ मल्टिपल डॉक्टर्स कमिंग अप, जावं तो डेंटिस्ट जावं गायनेक जावं कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट जावं प्रत्येक एक सब हेल्थ सेंटरान जोरी तरी एक वर या 2 वरां एक विजीट जोरी तरी जाता, सोमना एक पाटी या इवन म्हयन्या एक पाटी. I think this is going to boost, and that will be a major boost up for the entire health network. We will closely work with the health minister. He has done a very good job where GMC is concerned. आम चोयलां की हर GMC काम बरें आहा आनी फॅसिलिटीजूय बरी आहाय. तेच भाशेन साउथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल हॅज बीन निग्लेक्टेड. वी हॅव ऑलरेडी इन द असेंब्ली प्रत्येक टायम आमी ऑलरेडी ताका सांगलो आहा. वी हॅव टोल्ड हिम टू इम्प्रुवायज इट, बिकॉज जरी तरी ताका GMC स्टँडर्ड वयर काडपाक जाता जाल्यार साउथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्टाचो स्टँडर्ड विश्वजीत राणे कडेन काडपाक जाता. So only the thing, his intention, his interest has to be aligned towards that, and we as a opposition, आमगे काम कितें, आमगे काम जें सारकें जायना, जे लोकां फाव जावपा जाय ती कामां आमी असेंब्ली मांडपा जाय. क्रिटिक्स घालपाकूच जाय आनी क्रिटिक्स घायनासतना लोकां जी सेवा ती मेळपाना. सो इट इज नथिंग पर्सनल वेन वी आर डुईंग इट इन द असेंब्ली. इट इज ऑल अबाउट पब्लीक सर्विसीस. वी हॅव ऑलवेज मेड इट अ पॉयंट कितें जावं वी वील फायट दीस बॅटल आउट एंड वी वील मेक शुअर लोकांच्यो सर्विसीस मेळपाक. I really like to thank the health minister because आमके डायलिसिस युनिट तें कोण दिला. एम्बुलन्स जाय आमकां, एमर्जन्सी केअर सेंटर जाय आमकां, डेंटल चेअर जाय आमकां, आनी कॅन्सर डिटेक्शन जी नवी बस येयलो आहा ती बस अजून आमी हिंगा आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी हाडना. ती प्रत्येक गांवां एक 2 दीस हाडचे. जावं तो सुराले गांव, कोलवा गांव, बाणाले गांव, वार्का गांव, उर्लिम गांव, कोरमणी गांव आनी काबेलसिंग गांव, हे 7 गांवांत एक मिनिमम 2 days प्रोग्राम कॅन्सराचो हाडून सगळे लोकांक आमी म्हाका सदां हो फॅसिलिटी दिवपाची गरज आहा. आय वील कंटिन्युअसली फॉलो अप विथ द मिनिस्टर अँड विथ द गव्हर्मेंट अँड टू मेक शुअर दॅट माय पीपल गेट all that I desire to give them in this country.
Today we have inaugurated 2 bedded dialysis unit here. With 2 dialysis machines we can take 8 patients for regular dialysis. Patients obviously are going to require it 3 times in a week. So most of the dialysis patients need treatment 3 times in a week. So currently with 2 machines we can take around 8 to maximum 10 patients for regular dialysis. Dialysis is a treatment where patient has to go to the center 3 times in a week. So a center opening here in Carmona is definitely going to help many patients who are on dialysis staying in and around Carmona and Varka, who have to travel otherwise to Margaon or other places. They can definitely come here and avail the same treatment which is available in other places. The center here is managed by Apex Kidney Center, which has dialysis centers all across Goa in all the district hospitals and district hospitals. The same facilities in all the here, the same advanced machines, well-trained technicians, resident doctors. So everything what is done in bigger centers, we are going to do it. So patients will definitely get that same amount of benefit and treatment which they will get in other bigger centers. This is definitely going to be a very useful center. Congratulations to all the team who has come forward to start this center, especially Captain Nancy Vegas. His efforts definitely have been there since last 1 year, and we can see the benefit coming in the near future. So from tomorrow it is definitely going to be functional, and it is ready. We can take patients for dialysis. If you see the number of dialysis centers which have come up in the last 5 years, the numbers have just multiplied, and that is obviously a concern. The problem of kidney disease is definitely growing. It is expanding. The main reason is diabetes, which affects almost 40% of patients who have kidney disease, followed by high blood pressure, and the current Western lifestyle which we all lead to. So, if you have to ask me how do you take care of your kidneys or how to prevent this problem, there are simple measures which everyone should adopt. People with diabetes especially have to be very particular about getting their kidney function checked. Most of the patients with diabetes unfortunately only go to the hospital to check blood sugar, and they don't check anything else, and that is where the mistake happens. So a person with diabetes, a person with high blood pressure, those who have family history of kidney disease, those who have family history of diabetes, those who are elderly about the age of 65 years, these people every year you should get kidney function checked. And the kidney function test is very simple. It is available in all minor, major, any center, any laboratory is able to do a basic urine test and a blood test for kidney function. Very simple test, but if you do it on a regular basis, you are definitely going to be aware about your kidney health. And as a precaution, everyone above the age of 45-50 years should every year check their kidney function. It is very essential because the disease, if it is diagnosed early, we can prevent the progression of the disease. Unfortunately, patients, when they reach us, when they see a kidney doctor, it is way too late, and by the time they see a kidney specialist, it is already more than 80% of the kidneys which are damaged. So, diagnosing or identifying early is most important, and that can only be done if you do a periodic checkup.
Subscribe and follow our YouTube and Facebook channel for more videos.